Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
What is up, gang? It's time to officially work on the CBR with its very first mod. First thing I'm putting on this thing is an engine crash cage. Now it's only been a few months since riding, and first worry is dropping the bike. So I did get this cage set up on eBay for like $290.
One eternity later.
4 total pieces on the bike and a bunch of hardware, but from the looks of it, seems to be a simple install as it doesn't require any fairing or bike modifications. There are no instructions included, so I'm basically just going off of pictures and where the bolts line up.
This is such a crock of shit.
But here's a little mock-up of how it would look, and overall by the looks of it, I'm not too sure on the durability of it, as these pipes are pretty small. But it's going on anyways. That black color is looking sick. But here goes nothing.
Tomorrow.
Alright. I don't know about you guys, but that gold colored bolt is hurting my eyes. But I got a good solution.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
That looks way better. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Crash cage done. Fingers crossed it never sees the ground. But I do have other things to do on this bike, so stay tuned. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Also join the Notice Squad. Mahalo for watching. I will see you guys on the next one.